महाबलेश्वर महाराष्ट्र का सबसे खूबसूरत हिल स्टेशन है। The name of the city Mahabaleshwar came from the Lord Shiva who is Mahabali। ये हिल स्टेशन लगभग 4500 फीट अबव सी लेवल पे सिचुएटेड है। यहाँ पे आपको एग्जॉटिक ग्रीनरी, ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन्स एंड ब्रेथटेकिंग सीनरीज देखने को मिलते हैं। यहाँ पर हर एक व्यू इतना खूबसूरत था कि बस हम देखते ही रह गए एंड इट वाज सो डिफिकल्ट टू इवन बिलीव दैट दिस इज एक्चुअली फॉर रियल। तो महाबलेश्वर के व्लॉग को मैंने 2 भागों में बांटा है। यह है पार्ट 1 जिसमें आप देखोगे लॉर्डविक पॉइंट, एलिफेंट्स हेड व्यू पॉइंट, केट्स पॉइंट, इको पॉइंट, नीडल होल पॉइंट एंड फ्यू ब्यूटीफुल टेम्पल्स इन ओल्ड महाबलेश्वर। और पार्ट 2 में देखोगे वेल you'll have to wait for the part 2। So through this video मैं आपको ये खूबसूरत नज़ारों के एक वर्चुअल सफ़र पे लेके चलने वाला हूँ। तो अपने कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लें और हमारे साथ ये सफ़र पर चलें।
So what's good everybody, I hope you all are doing great and welcome back to my channel to a fresh new episode all the way from Mahabaleshwar। So today is our first day in Mahabaleshwar and we have come हमारे first destination पे which is Lordwick Point and Elephant Head View। So before we head towards the point, this is the parking, this is where I parked my car and right away the moment you park, this is the beautiful view of the Ghats, the Western Ghats, the mighty Western Ghats। Now isn't that beautiful? I'm super duper excited to go inside. Are you?
Yes, I am very much, yeah. And it's not very far. It says only it's 500 meters and 800 meters. And let's go. Let's not waste much time.
So let's go. So it's clearly written here that Lordwick Point है approximately 500 meter और Elephant Head Point है 800 meter। Now the best point is that the view is clear. ज़्यादा fog या mist नहीं है. So we will get to see the clear view of the valley and the Elephant Head। We have made it to our first point, that is the Lordwick viewpoint, and it's already so beautiful।
4,000 feet above the sea level, Rahul.
Yeah.
And apparently this Lordwick, this is named after General Peter Lordwick, and he is the first Englishman to set foot on Mahabaleshwar in 1824। So ये Mahabaleshwar hill station, British hill station बना मतलब 1824 में। So this is the first point what they discovered and this is the first place where they started the journey of Mahabaleshwar, yeah.
So this place was actually under the Peshwas, the Maratha kingdom। So Lordwick was the one who was the Englishman who took his troops and kind of defeated the Peshwas and took over the hill station। So जो आप ये monument मेरे पीछे देख रहे हैं, ये monument बना in the memory of Lordwick because of his service to the British troop। The best part is in 1973 this monument was struck by a big lightning and it kind of broke into pieces। Then later it was reinstated by the Mahabaleshwar Association and with this fencing that you're seeing। Isn't that crazy?
और also तो हम when we come left में हमारा Lordwick point था and the right side it said that we have to go to the Elephant Point। and यहाँ से if we see, so I think on that elevation I think that is the elephant।
That is the Elephant Head viewpoint।
Looks like a bit more of trekking with this little one, but it already looks so good, like look at it, it's on top of the mountain there, right?
And look at those crazy roads। वो रोड ही शायद अपन वही रोड लेके आए मैम, if I'm not wrong। कितना मस्त है ना, कर्व पूरा घाट रोड। एंड वाव, अगर आप मानसून में आए तो आपको ये सब पूरा नहीं दिखने वाला है because this place will be completely covered in clouds। So what you're seeing there is the Elephant Head viewpoint, which is already scaring me because, or 300-400 meters walk करना है, but imagine the view from there. Wow, man, beautiful. Okay, can you look at that beautiful scene right in front of you? पहले हम लोग वहाँ पे, if you're seeing on the top, I'll zoom in a little. वो रॉड्रिक पॉइंट है जो वहाँ पे देख रहे इससे पहले थे. एंड नाउ वी आर एट द एलिफेंट हेड पॉइंट. यू विल नॉट बिलीव द सीन्स गाइज. आई मीन जस्ट लुक एट दैट. Isn't that beautiful? तो यहाँ पे एक एंड पॉइंट है. Let's walk towards that. And Ramya and Augie tired. Yeah, one thing, if you are getting kids, be a little careful here because आप ऐसा देख रहे boundaries ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. क्या रे रम्या?
Yes, and I'm not tired. I'm just sitting for this guy. He's running here and there. If you see, everything is broken there. It's at a very high elevation, and if you see, there are no boundaries, and this is shaking. So don't lean on this, and that's why I'm just holding him and I'm sitting.
So let me show them the view, man. ये देखो boundaries वो सब टूट गया. But then look at that. Woo! Isn't that crazy? एक नंबर. वाह. वन मोर थिंग इज, अगर आप मानसून में आए ना, ये जो पहाड़ा दिख रहे हैं आपको, द स्मॉल वाटरफॉल्स जो दिखते हैं, जो पार्किंग के पास एक बंदा है टेलीस्कोप लेके खड़ा है, so you can pay him around 20-30 bucks and you can watch the waterfalls. but अभी नहीं है. I can actually see those black portions there. I'm sure those are like the वो water flow होके वो black होता ना. It's exactly that. Now tell me, this isn't beautiful? I am on top of the world, like literally on top of the world, top of some hill in Sahyadri, and I'm loving each and every moment here.
प्यार का तो पता नहीं, पर जिंदगी में एक ऐसा सफर जरूर होना चाहिए जो हमारे साथ हर पल हर वक्त याददाश्त में रहे. मेमोरीज. तो इसी मेमोरीज को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हम निकल पड़े हमारे दूसरे लोकेशन, जो कि है
Kate's Point. So पे बहुत थोड़ा confusion है. So be careful. Map कभी तुम्हारा को like it will take you to another place. And also there's one board which is misleading. It says straight, but actually it was right. Kate Point and Echo Point is kind of nearby. So let's go and see. And I think there's not much of walking here. I hope so, because done with the lot.
No, it's there. The point is there. I can see. Yeah. So the moment you enter, you see this. यहाँ पे entrance है. The parking is right there, and there are eateries here, Golgappa, ice cream, and all that. In case if you're hungry, and of course, kids के लिए.
Okay, so basically Kate Point, नाम क्यों आया Kate Point? So वो point of time का जो English governor था, which was John Malcolm, he had a daughter which was like a very pretty daughter like Kate. So she used to love this place. She used to always come here, spend a lot of time here, play here, and also like यहाँ पे Kate's Point है and यहाँ पे Echo Point है. This is again one more place where the voice, whatever you speak, they say it echoes back to you, and that is what she used to love, it seems, And यहाँ पे कुछ, there are a couple of things for you to do, like Golmaal ka bike hai.
That is crazy, that yes. Golmaal bike.
So you can
3 Idiots ka bums.
And and sun is stuck there, looking at the cars.
So this is one of the points here, Kate Point. So we can see River Krishna Valley, Needles Hole Point, Kamalgarh Fort, Dhoom Dam, and Balkawadi Dam. And look at that beautiful valley, guys. I mean, that is the Krishna River for you. Isn't that beautiful? वहाँ से भी एक व्यू पॉइंट है, of course वहाँ पे भी जाने वाले. But look at the scenes, dude. I mean, you are in mist. You are in mist, Western Ghats, and how frequently do you get to see these? मैं बोल रहा हूँ, it's worth every single minute of your time here. Damn! This is beautiful, Ray. Fuck. No wonder this was one of his favorite spot. I mean, damn, dude. Look at that, Ramya. Guys, tell me you're liking this or not. Wow. This is the dam. वो दिख रहा है एज, वहाँ तक farms है, dude. The farming done till there. Shit, dude. This doesn't look real for me. I am in love with this place, Ramya. I mean, look at this, yeah. There's a telescope. Wow. So basically there is a telescope here right on top of this point. So this gentleman will be showing us the shooting spot of Bajirao Mastani, Chennai Express और कौन सा?
एक बलखौड़ी डैम, बलखौड़ी डैम एक
Balkhodi Dam. So ये तीन चीज़ें हैं. There were vlogs also on YouTube which I saw where people are figuring out where the Chennai Express का shoot point is.
So ये टेलीस्कोप से इन खूबसूरत अमेजिंग नज़ारों को देखने के बाद हम पहुंचे इको पॉइंट, जो कि एकदम राइट नेक्स्ट टू केट्स पॉइंट है.
So this is Echo Point, returns back one's own voice when shouted loudly into the valley. Now this is the valley here, the beautiful breathtaking valley. अभी ये कोने में जाके अपन let's try to shout our channel's name. क्या बोलते हैं रम्या?
Yes.
Let's shout our channel's name and see if we can hear back the echo. So here we go. Oh my God, look at that, yeah. Ramya, this is beautiful, Ray. ठीक है, okay, I'm shouting. 3, 2, 1. Monday Blues!
Actually, it's going. Okay, let me try.
Try.
Agastya!
Yeah,
It's actually going.
it's echoing.
Wow! Wow!
Yeah.
It's echoing.
Yeah.
Oh wow!
So, view तो किराक है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Okay, let me shout Ramya's name. Ramya!
Oh.
This is crazy. Look at the valley here.
One plus point for you is 3 places are together. One is your Kate's Point, then Echo Point and Needle Hole Point, जहाँ से आप लोगों को elephant head दिखेगा. मतलब in the pictures you might have seen. So even we are excited to go there and see the elephant head. But very peaceful and यहाँ से जो view दिखता अभी तक तो हम नहीं देखे महाबलेश्वर में.
Indeed, that's super true.
हर सफर में है शायरी. The journey of life and various experiences explained in magical words. ये खूबसूरत नज़ारों को देखने के बाद हम निकल पड़े to our next place, which is the Needle Hole View Point.
So अब आए हम Needle Hole View Point पे and why Needle Hole View Point में क्या है देखने का? It's right here, the elephant head.
Oh, head and the trunk, it is properly made. And वो भी it's facing this beautiful Krishna Valley. Out of the world. We are completely speechless. This was the best place till now for us in Mahabaleshwar.
Okay, so with that we'll end our sightseeing here for this place, which is Kate Point, Echo Point and Needle Hole Point, and let's head to our next destination. Okay, so we are in old Mahabaleshwar now and यहाँ पे there are 4 places for us to visit. यहाँ पे पीछे after the parking पीछे है महाबलेश्वर टेम्पल, अतिबलेश्वर टेम्पल and पंचगंगा टेम्पल, and here just opposite, just a minute away, there is Krishnai temple. So ये Krishnai temple का significance क्या है? The origin of river Krishna happened here and this was kind of built in 18th century. And yes, we'll go inside and maybe we can explore more and we can speak more about the temples. So alright, we are here now at Krishnai temple. So on Google you can even see it as Krishna Bai temple, but यहाँ पे if you come and see, it is Krishnai temple. So ये temple was built around 18th century by one of the king of Ratnagiri district, and he built it on top of the hill where you can see the Krishna valley, So if you can see here, and this is the origin, one of the significance of this place is this is the origin of Krishna river, it starts from here, then flows to Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and then reaches to Bay of Bengal. And one more thing, inside you can find the shrine of Lord Shiva.
तो ये मंदिर है, ये कृष्णाई टेम्पल बोलते हैं इसको. अगर आपको वहाँ से दिख रहा, the water is flowing. So this is the origination of कृष्णा रिवर. अंदर एक बड़ा सा शिवलिंग है और शिवलिंग के अंदर से नीचे से एक्चुअली वाटर इज ओरिजिनेटिंग, फ्लोइंग हियर एंड फ्रॉम हियर बिकमिंग द माइटी Krishna right there, and look at those beautiful scenes right in front of you. Isn't that beautiful?
तो इस खूबसूरत मंदिर को एक्सप्लोर करने के बाद वक्त आया था कि हम ओल्ड महाबलेश्वर के स्वयंभू की तरफ चले।
We are in the next destination in Old Mahabaleshwar, that is Mahabaleshwar temple. So just opposite to Mahabaleshwar temple, वहाँ पे if you see, that is Atibaleshwar मंदिर।
भाई it started raining और बहुत अच्छा हुआ बिकॉज बारिश गिरा, बिकॉज आप मौसम देख रहे। अब ये टेम्पल है एग्जैक्टली, दिस इज़ द महाबलेश्वर टेम्पल। ये मंदिर 5000 साल पुराना है और ये एक स्वयंभू है शिव भगवान का। मतलब यहाँ का जो लिंग है, मतलब जो शिवलिंग है यहाँ का, वो अपने आप प्रकट हुआ था। नाउ एक और ब्रिलियंट पार्ट अबाउट दिस शिवलिंग हियर इज द शिवलिंग इज इन द शेप ऑफ अ रुद्राक्ष। मतलब जो टिपिकल शिवलिंग देखते हो आप, ऐसा नहीं है। द शिवलिंग इज लाइक अ रुद्राक्ष शेप में। ऑफ कोर्स आई डोंट वांट टू टेक कैमराज इनसाइड द टेम्पल बिकॉज आई वांट टू मेंटेन द इंटीग्रिटी, बट देन भाई साहब हम लोग को ना एक चीज़ कल हो रहा था, मैं रम्या बात कर रहे थे कि अरे आई थिंक वी शुड कम बैक इन मानसून वंस जस्ट टू फील दैट यू नो बीइंग इन क्लाउड्स वाला फील। बट देन गॉड टेम्पल आए भगवान, वो भी हमारा पूरा कर दिया। जैसे आप देख रहे पीछे पूरा बादल में, दिस प्लेस इज कंप्लीटली इन मिस्ट। कैन यू सी दैट? दिस इज ऑल बादल। अभी तक बारिश गिर रहा था, वो देखो पूरा ढक गया बादल में, एंड द लिटिल मैन इज एंजॉयिंग हिज टाइम इन द बादल। वाओ!
Mahabaleshwar temple, this is another temple what you have to visit on the way to Panchaganga temple. Generally people tend to miss this temple because I don't know, like, you know, they skip this and directly go to the Panchaganga temple, but it's a must that, you know, you have to visit this temple as well. Both these temples, Mahabaleshwar and Atibaleshwar, were built in 16th century and they have this Hemavant architecture as well. So we'll go inside, cameras are not allowed as we said, and let's pray and then head to our next destination, which is Panchaganga temple. This is the last temple for today in the old Mahabaleshwar, which is the Panchaganga, very special Panchaganga temple. Why is this special? Because this is known to be old, very old, which is around 4500 years ago it was built. Another speciality of this place is because this is the origin and the union of like 5 rivers, which is Krishna, Koyna, Venna, Gayatri and Savitri. All this like 5 rivers, you know, it originates from here and it comes out from the mouth of, you know, Gomukh, which is the cow. So which we'll see if we can capture that, you know, from inside, and it's considered to be a very sacred.
Clearly written there, no photograph.
Yes, so it is very sacred. This place is very sacred because of the 5 rivers which originates here. Let's go inside and witness the Sangam, you know, holy Sangam of 5 rivers, and which is very rare in India or anywhere else in the world, we believe, and feeling so sacred. And let's go.
अच्छा, मैं टेम्पल के प्रमाइसेस में और आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ कि आप बताओ कि आपको ये सीन जो मेरे पीछे है और इससे पहले जो शॉट्स बताया आपको पसंद आया नहीं है, कैसा? बाय कमेंटिंग। अगर कमेंट नहीं करना, अगर लेजी फील हो रहा तो वीडियो पे एक लाइक छोड़ दो, मैं समझ जाऊंगा कि यू लव्ड दिस। यार रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में ये कहाँ देखने को मिलेगा रोज़। लुक एट दैट, द होल टेम्पल इज़ इन द फ्रेम एंड इट्स कम्प्लीटली कवर्ड बाई क्लाउड्स। आई एम श्योर कैमरा इज़ डूइंग नो जस्टिस जो नेकेड आई से दिख रहा है यहाँ पे। एक्चुअली कुछ नहीं दिख रहा नेकेड आई से, बट देन out of the world.
So can't believe this, when we came this was not the view थोड़ा clear था and all that, but 2 दिन से है महाबलेश्वर में, but ये witness करने को नहीं मिला था. Today we feel so lucky and so happy that look around, there's literally no visibility. This is what we wanted to see and this is why we came to Mahabaleshwar, and luckily on the 2nd, 3rd day we got to witness this. And एक और चीज़ क्या है, कृष्णा टेम्पल, good that we went before this mist, the mountain was filled with mist, so that we could catch a glimpse of the beautiful valley. But anyways, our darshan is over. पूरा temples का darshan हो गया, and with that we'll end this vlog here. Please stay tuned for more beautiful places of Mahabaleshwar in our next episode. This is not done. There are a lot of more places, more beautiful places in Mahabaleshwar, which we will show you in our next episode. Thank you. Stay tuned.
Next episode के लिए देखो हाँ, because there are some crazy places coming up. Peace.